Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation program that allows students to experiment with network behavior and ask a what if questions. As an integral part of the Networking Academy comprehensive learning experience, Packet Tracer provides simulation, visualization, authoring, assessment, and collaboration capabilities and facilitates the teaching and learning of complex technology concepts. Packet Tracer features. The current version of Packet Tracer supports an array of simulated application layer protocols, as well as basic routing with IP, OSPF, and EIGRP, to the extent required by the current CCNA curriculum. While Packet Tracer aims to provide a realistic simulation of functional networks, the application itself utilizes only a small number of features found within the actual hardware running a current Cisco iOS version. Thus, Packet Tracer is unsuitable for modeling production networks. With the introduction of version 5.3, several new features were added, including BGP. BGP is not part of the CCNA curriculum, but part of the CCNP curriculum. Packet Tracer 6.2, new features. It includes new bug fixes and new features. Its new features are as follows: new devices, Cisco 819 router, Cell Tower Colorado server, sniffer, new capability to add devices directly in physical view. HTTP server now supports JavaScript and CSS. FTP server can manage files used in HTTP server. Improved iOS command support. CLI commands is used for creating and router to PC Connect. Packet Tracer 6.1.1, new features, student version and instructor version. Now there are two versions of Packet Tracer. Protocol improvements. Packet Tracer now models these new or improved features: flow, zone-based policy firewall for IPv6, AAA accounting commands, IPv6 CEF, IPv6 IPsec, IPv6 over IPv4 GRE tunnel protection, Ethernet channel expansion, iOS 15, 15.0.2 SE4, ED, image support for 2960, OSPF, OSPF v3 enhancements, OSPF distance command, IPv6 OSPF neighbor, IPv6 add interface subcommand, neighbor router add command, area range command, IP OSPF network point-to-point, auto cost reference bandwidth, EIGRP, EIGRP v6 enhancements, EIGRP distance command, debug EIGRP summary commands. EIGRP v6 across FR, EIGRP authentication commands, RIP, RIPNG enhancements, default information originate for RIPNG, RIP distance command update, DHCP enhancements, DHCP for IPv6, show and clear IP DHCP conflict, DHCP snooping commands, IPv4 automatic private IP addressing, IPv6 config/renew and /release on PC, DHCP v6 commands for iOS 15, and DV6, show commands, show IP root, show IP IPv6 root summary, general improvements, converted Qt3 code to Qt 4.82, supports Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Stopped support for Windows Vista. Activity Wizard, scripts, text pop-up on topology, scripts, supported in instruction window, add variable manager import/export, explanation of answer tree nodes names, add show variables to pools and variables page, simulation mode, filter based on IPv4 and IPv6 traffic, update PDU index in the PDU window, expanded buffer for PDUs. New devices security, ASA 5505. Packet Tracer 6.0, new features, iOS 15, HWIC2T and HWIC8A modules, 3 new Cisco routers, HSRP support, Activity Wizard and Variable Manager improvement, BGP configurations. Packet Tracer 5.3, new features, improved link size models, wireless security, cable and DSL enhancements, Call Manager Express, FTP server and router switches, server and client, email system, server and client, BGP, a Euro-limited implementation that allows for a more realistic representation of the Internet for scenarios. Generic IPN devices, a Euro to create more versatility in device creation. Activity Wizard initial tree enhancements, a Euro more scenario variations, taken from http www Cisco Camoffer 7130.5 PDF. Use in education. Packet Tracer is commonly used by Cisco Networking Academy students working towards Cisco Certified Network Associate certification. Due to functional limitations, it is intended by Cisco to be used only as a learning aid, not a replacement for Cisco routers and switches. Packet Tracer can be used to understand various concepts of networking with simulation. It can be used to design a network by connecting various networking devices and running various troubleshooting tests to check the connectivity and communication between different networking devices. Packet Tracer can be used to understand the use of different networking devices appropriately and the difference in their working. As it is costly to buy various networking equipment while learning networking, Packet Tracer can be used to understand computer networks. See also, Dynamips, Network Simulation, Cisco Networking Academy, GNS3. External links, official website, tutorials and labs for Packet Tracer 5.3 and 6.0, 1, Packet Tracer 2.0.1 for Apple iOS 8 devices.